Why is Dave Advance not available? Eligibility fix. So Dave's ExtraCash's cash advance may be unavailable due to various issues in this case. Now we will start. The most common reasons for ineligibility is outstanding balance, income inconsistency, negative bank balance, disconnected bank account, or a new user, or too few deposits. Now some fixes and troubleshooting is you must settle any outstanding balances, maintain a positive balance, update any bank connections by disconnecting and reconnecting it, wait for daily refresh because eligibility is updated daily at midnight, check back after your paycheck clears if your income was low, or you can use a Dave check-in account which can improve your approval chances, or you can simply try to contact the customer support even if you followed all the guidelines but not being able to become eligible for the loan. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.